I am fruit seller. I have many varieties of fruits there. Which fruit do you want to buy?
Flight. Apples, oranges, big delight. Market hustle in the sunlight. Kids with baskets running wide.
Apple. Okay.
Juicy treasures can't hide.
Pomegranate.
Laughing faces, bursting pride. In the market, nothing's denied. At Smarto Experiential School we play fruit market games all day. Learning, selling in a fruity way. Hip hip hooray, join the fray. Mangoes, peaches, sweet and ripe. Cherries, berries, take a bite.